Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy April of 2020 box. So this is my Ipsy Plus box. I would show you the Ipsy logo, but they put my shipping label over that. Don't know why, but now you get the beautiful butt of the box that we never get to see. So not only am I going to be showing you the products that I received in my box, this is also going to be a giveaway video. I know I haven't done a giveaway in so long, and I apologize for that. It's just the last one was very overwhelming, but here we are back at you again with another giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy. I will have all of the rules and details at some point in this video so you guys can know how to enter to win. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to thumbs this one up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, if you were curious about my gorgeous eye look, I'm wearing the Medium UA Life's a Drag palette. Love this palette, so pretty. Very excited that I got it in my Ipsy box, not Ipsy, Boxycharm. But anyways, I bet you guys cannot wait for me to start doing eyeshadow looks because I can zoom in so well. So while I get everything situated right here, what have you guys been up to? What are you guys doing today? Me, after I finished filming this video and editing it, I will be playing Elder Scrolls Online. So that's what I plan on doing for the rest of the day after I'm finished with this. Also, my Nintendo Switch will be here. It'll be shipping in 10 days on April 30th. I'm so excited to finally play Animal Crossing. So very excited about that. And I know several of you I have talked to and you guys have Animal Crossings. I'm so excited to play with you guys. You have no idea. So if you play Animal Crossings, let me know over on Twitter. That's where I like to talk about Animal Crossings at, so we can be friends on there because I will be probably in 12 days because it ships on the 30th. So very soon we can play Animal Crossings together. But anyways, let's get into the Ipsy stuff. So I'm going to show you what I purchased through the add-ons first before we get into the actual products. So number one, I got this Luxie brush right here, and I think it's beautiful. The handle is like a very pretty brownish neutral gray color, and it kind of ombres into the pink. And then of course, you know, the brush, very soft, very fluffy, and I really like that. So I'm really excited. That's why I added it on. Luxie has really great brushes, so I'm very happy to have this one join the family. And here I have 4 Dose of Colors matte liquid lipsticks, one of which was my choice item for April. So I'm going to show you what I chose for April and then show you the other items. So I chose the shade Campfire. There was so many beautiful shades that I could have chose, and I just went with Campfire. I thought that one I would wear the most often, and I think this color is absolutely stunning. So beautiful, and I cannot wait to wear it. And then for my add-ons, the very first shade, Knock on Wood. I think this one is such a pretty neutral shade. I am going to definitely get a lot of use out of this one for sure. And then of course the shade Supernatural. I mostly was like, oh my god, because I love the show Supernatural. Dean is actually my husband, so don't come for him. He's mine. So I think this one is a very pretty color. I love it, and I'm so glad that I added it on. Same thing with the shade Let's Cuddle. I think this one is very pretty. It's very light neutral, but still very pretty. I do love the formula of these little guys so much, so I'm so excited to add more to my collection. If you have not tried Dose of Colors matte liquid lipsticks, you definitely should. I think the formula is just so comfortable, and I think anyone would enjoy these so much. So the retail value of the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipsticks are $18. I think they are worth every single penny, you guys. I love their formula so much, so definitely worth it. And the theme this month is Full Bloom, which I think is perfect for the spring, and it goes really well with this month's bag. So this is the bag this month. I think it's super cute. It's kind of like Art Deco, if you will. I don't even know if Art Deco is what I'm trying to say, giveaway, if that's what I'm thinking this is. I'm not an artsy person, but this is what I think of when I hear that name. It's just like Art Deco. Probably completely wrong. I'm so sorry, but I think this is cute. They're like flower bugs or whatever you guys want to imagine this is. It's just really pretty and I love the color, and this cute little wooden little tassel handle. It's not a tassel, it's just a wooden ring, but this reminds me of summer because there's lots of like wooden type details for summer. You know what, now I'm making zero sense, but this will be in the giveaway. Your items, if they do fit, will come in this bag. I think this bag is so cute. So yeah, so the other item coming in the giveaway is from Sunday Riley. This is the Martian Mattifying Melting Water Gel Toner. It says instantly transforms from a cooling gel to a water toner as it clarifies, removes oil, and tightens the appearance of pores for clearer, cleaner skin. And it's for oily to blemish prone skin. So this guy retails for $25. It says for the tip, God plans after a workout, stash this toner in your gym bag to calm skin back to a healthy glow before applying makeup. So I think you guys are really going to enjoy this. I have so much skincare right now. I've decluttered so much and I have what I like. So I don't really want to add anything else to my collection, which is another reason why I want to give this to you guys so you can try out something from Sunday Riley. They are a very expensive brand and I just wanted you guys to try something from them. Next up we have something from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in black. This has a retail value of $24. Here's the thing. I actually have a set of 3 of these liners. I have it in black, burgundy, and brown, and I paid $13 for these from Macy's.com. So I don't know about that, but I do have to say I've tried the liner and I do really like it. I've already done a swatch of mine, and this here is the liquid side and this is the pencil side, and as you can tell, it doesn't really smudge. So that's very good. Like, look at me. I'm like, look. It took that much pressure to get this to like start coming off. So I think you guys are really going to appreciate a black eyeliner that isn't going to smudge during the day, because obviously, as you can tell, it takes a lot of effort to get the little pencil part to start to smudge, and it still looks good as new. So I think you guys will really enjoy this one. Next up, we have something from Bloom Effects. This is a Dutch Dirt mask, and this I looked up because I was like, who is this company? And they're actually a really good company. They've been in several magazines and I think you guys will really enjoy. Let me read the description on this. So this retails for $49. The secret to a fresh, dewy face, dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask's Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for the skin. Wear it for 20 minutes to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past. Tip, short on time. Massage a small amount of this mask onto damp skin for 30 seconds for quick yet totally effective exfoliation. So I think you guys are going to really enjoy this mask. So I'm happy that this is going to be going in the giveaway. And lastly, you guys are going to be receiving an eyeshadow palette. This is from Cheyenne Abhi Miami. This is the Mini Miami eyeshadow palette and it retails for $20. I think the packaging on this little guy is so cute. You get 8 Miami inspired shades and there are matte and metallic in here. Packaging so cute. Here the shades are. I'm not going to take the protective cover off, but you get an idea of what the shades look like here. Very neutral Nelly, but also very gorgeous and everyday work friendly. So I am excited for you guys to receive this palette. So that is everything going in the giveaway and everything that I received in my April Glam Bag Plus. Let's go over the rules for the giveaway. Just let me get my notes. Okay, so the giveaway is open to US residents and the giveaway starts right now. The giveaway is going to end on Saturday, April 25th at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. I'm in Central, right? Yeah, Central Time. And here are the rules. You must be subscribed to my channel, obviously. And be sure to be following me over on Instagram as well. I will be checking to make sure you're doing both. Comment down below on this video something that brings you joy and happiness to your life. Winner will be announced on my Instagram on Sunday, April 26th. Followed by an Instagram DM from moi letting you know that you won. So that is it. It's very simple to to enter my giveaway, and I just wanted to do something really quick for you guys and let you try some Ipsy products that you may not have received in your box, or if you were someone who had to cancel your box because of everything going on, you have a chance to still receive almost a full box of Ipsy items. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not already, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my ASMR channel also. I'll have a link down below. That is it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!